Using Afterpay on DoorDash is a convenient way to pay for your food orders in installments. To get started, you need to have an Afterpay account and the DoorDash app on your device. First, open the DoorDash app and select the restaurant you want to order from. Browse through the menu, add your desired items to the cart, and proceed to checkout. At the checkout page, you will see the total cost of your order and various payment options. Look for the Afterpay option and select it as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website where you need to log in to your Afterpay account. If you do not have an Afterpay account, you can create one at this stage. Once you are logged in, Afterpay will display the payment schedule for your order, which is typically split into 4 installments due every 2 weeks. Review the payment schedule and terms. Then confirm your payment. Afterpay will charge the first installment immediately, and the remaining installments will be charged on the scheduled due dates. You can track your payment schedule and make payments through the Afterpay app or website. To avoid late fees, ensure you have sufficient funds in your account on the due dates. You can also make early payments or pay the entire amount upfront through the Afterpay app. Using Afterpay on DoorDash is a great way to enjoy your favorite food while managing your finances. Just remember to make your payments on time to avoid any additional fees. By following these steps, you can use Afterpay on DoorDash and enjoy a seamless food ordering experience.